Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me, and today I am telling you how you can improve your English skill. To learn English, you should learn to speak and write something every day. You should listen to English music every day and try to talk to people in English. It is true that if we try to speak English, we get very nervous and make some mistakes, but we should not be afraid of our mistakes. We should just try to speak because our mistakes make us perfect. You all know that when a child is born, he does not have any knowledge of anything, but gradually he starts doing everything by seeing, hearing, and understanding. Similarly, we also do not need to be afraid of learning English. Rather, we should learn by seeing, listening, and understanding it. Once upon a time, I went to visit the market. So I met a foreign girl who was very beautiful. Her eyes were blue and she had a beautiful smile. She slowly came closer to me and said, "What is your name?" And she asked me, "Can you speak English?" I was very nervous at that moment, but I mustered some courage and said, "Yes, a little." Then she asked me, "Will you tell me where to get the best food here?" I said in a low voice, "You go ahead and look on the left side of a street. There is a restaurant there. Good food is available there." She smiled and thanked me. I was very happy that day because I spoke a little bit in English that day. I like speaking English very much, so I practice speaking it every day. My father says if you practice, then everything is possible, and I did the same. That is why I am able to speak English today. If you practice learning something every day, I will also be able to speak. I promise, because practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos, my all dear friends.